What if you could save $200 every single month without giving up the things you love? For most seniors, that extra money could mean fewer worries, more freedom, and the peace of mind you've worked so hard for. In this video from Senior Money Roadmap, we're breaking down 5 simple, proven ways to cut costs that anyone over 60 can start using today. These tips don't require apps, complicated budgeting, or financial experience. They are straightforward, senior-friendly strategies designed to help you keep more of your money where it belongs, in your pocket. Stay with me until the very end, because tip number 5 is a little-known trick that has helped thousands of seniors free up even more cash each month, and you can start using it tonight. Number 1. Cancel hidden subscriptions. Did you know that many seniors pay for subscriptions they no longer use? From streaming services to forgotten magazine renewals, these small charges quietly drain your bank account every month. Why it works. Go through your bank statements line by line. Cancel anything you don't truly need. Example, Mary from Florida canceled 3 unused subscriptions and saved $45 a month instantly. Tools. If you prefer help, you can use free services like Trim or Truebill, but even a simple review once a month works. Imagine what you could do with an extra $500 a year, and that's just the beginning. Number 2, shop. Smarter for groceries. Food prices are one of the biggest expenses for seniors, but there are easy ways to save without sacrificing quality. Action steps. Buy store-brand items instead of name brands for non-essential goods. Use loyalty cards at local grocery stores. Shop midweek when prices are often lower. Why it works. These small shifts add up fast. A senior couple switching just half their purchases to store brands reported saving $60 a month, nearly $720 a year. And if you think that's good, the next tip might cut one of your biggest bills in half. Number 3. Lower your utility bills. Utility companies often have hidden discounts for seniors, but you have to ask for them. Action steps. Call your utility provider and ask about senior or low-income discounts. Unplug devices when not in use. Even small electronics use phantom power. Install LED bulbs and programmable thermostats. Why it works. James, age 67, reduced his electric bill by 25% just by switching to off-peak hours and applying a senior discount he didn't even know existed. But what if I told you that your bank might also be quietly charging you fees you don't need to pay? Number 4. Eliminate bank fees. Many banks offer fee-free accounts for seniors, but they won't always tell you. Action steps. Call your bank and ask if they offer senior accounts with no monthly fees. Watch for overdraft protection charges and request fee forgiveness if it's your first offense. Switch to a credit union if your current bank isn't flexible. Why it works. A simple phone call saved Linda, 72, nearly $180 a year in fees. Imagine getting paid simply for asking one question. And now, the final tip, one that can put even more money back in your pocket starting tonight. Number 5. Master the cash envelope trick. Here's the secret most budgeting apps don't tell you. Physical cash works better. Action steps. Withdraw your weekly spending money in cash. Place it into labeled envelopes, groceries, dining out, personal spending. When an envelope is empty, you stop spending. No overdrafts, no surprises. Why it works. This old-fashioned method keeps your spending visible and controlled. Seniors who use it report saving $100 to $150 a month without even realizing it. Now imagine combining this with the other 4 tips. That's over $200 saved every single month. Saving money after 60 doesn't have to be complicated. It's about small, simple steps that add up fast. Subscribe to Senior Money Roadmap for more easy financial tips that actually work. Like this video and comment below, what's your favorite money-saving trick? Turn on notifications so you never miss the next tip that could change your financial future. This is your roadmap to financial peace of mind, one simple step at a time.